Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today is Monday and that means it's Mixed Media Monday. And we are also asked to use some creative journaling ideas. And as you can see, I'm still working with the August 2020 kits, and I have done a lot of die cutting and fussy cutting, not die cutting, but fussy cutting. There are a lot of flowers from one of the exclusive papers and some triangle arrow things. These were also cut from a pattern paper. I decided to work on a dark blue background paper today and a piece of that gorgeous dark blue white striped paper, and I have primed that paper with clear gesso because I knew I wanted to bring in some watercolor, and but I don't want it to cover up the blue stripes with white gesso, and so I decided to go with clear gesso, and now I can add a lot of water without damaging the paper. I cut down a strip from that paper. It's about 4 inches or maybe 4.5 inch, and now I'm sticking it down to that paper, and then I will grab 2 of the stackable color philosophy ink pads we got in previous kits or this month, I'm not pretty sure, and I'm going with apricot, the orange tone, and with pony, that's more on a pinky reddish side, and I wanted to just work with the same colors I have on my embellishments, and I totally love the combination of dark blue with pink and orange red. So yeah, just added the first layer of that apricot color, and I just smudged it down, or I stamped it down onto my striped paper, and then I added lots of water to just handle it like I would do with watercolor. And now I'm bringing in the pony, the pinkish tone. And yeah, I'm working in with layers. So I'm adding the second color. I'm giving it a quick dry with a heat tool. Then I will bring in some more color and also some pink splatters. I was thinking about bringing in some blue, but I will not, just because of yeah, I already have enough blue going on. There's also blue on my picture, and I will bring in the blue exclusive alphas for some more words. So, and because I'm working on a dark background, I needed to add some white splatters, and I just watered down some white acrylic paint, and I totally love how this is looking. And now everything is dry, and I will work on my embellishments, on my design, on my everything. Yeah, and I decided to add my main focus from the flowers, or the main cluster from the flowers, on the where the papers are meeting. So in the middle, from the, it's not the middle, but you know, where the blue and the black and the blue and white striped paper are meeting, there are some there are the flowers. And I decided to use the word blah, just because I wanted to use the chipboard in orange. This is one of my favorite pieces from the chipboards, but I was not able to use it on the previous pages, and so I thought today is the day. And just for some more interest or some more words, I don't know, I used the word blah blah in with the light blue stickers, alpha stickers. And it's, the blah blah is nothing about the picture. It's just my son loves to talk a lot, and so we were on a drive with a car, and we picked up his big brother. I don't know, I'm not pretty sure, so we needed to wait 20 minutes or something like that, and he was just talking all the way, and so it was just blah blah because he was talking a lot. So my idea for my creative journaling was to stick that picture on top of the envelope or on the opening piece, and I added a brad to keep the picture down, and you can easily open the envelope to read the hidden journaling in it, or the to get the card with the journaling in it. And I thought that was a creative idea to get my journaling on that layout. And yeah, now I'm bringing in all of the little flowers in pink, and there are some more leaves. And I also grabbed some more of the Simple Story breads. There's one with a little camera, and I believe I will bring in another one with a heart on top. And yeah, I'm just gluing everything down. I have added a lot of foam tape behind the flowers on the left side, just because I love how this is looking. It's giving some shadows and some more interest, and I just love it. Yeah, gluing down the last flowers, and I also added the chipboard sticker that said choose love right in the middle or into the flower cluster. And I also wanted to use the word yay. You can see on the layout there, but I'm not using it. There was not the perfect place for it, and it so I just skipped the idea of the yay. Yeah, this is a little camera I was talking about, and I had a hard time to find the perfect place, but I will add it right there underneath that picture. And yeah, just gluing down the envelope and the picture with some foam tape, and now bringing in the final details. And these are just yeah, like I said before, that camera and two more breads, I believe, or maybe one. I'm not pretty sure right now. And yeah, this is I don't know, maybe layout number 6 I have created with the gorgeous August kits, but I'm totally ready for some fall colors for the new kits, and so I really hope they will arrive very soon. And I hope you are all doing good and are still healthy, and yeah, I know the time, it's still a difficult time, and so just hoping for the best here. And yeah, I really hope you're all doing good, and that you're still inspired by the awesome work from the design team to get your juicy creativity flow to create some awesome pages with your kids, and to get the most out of your kids. So yeah, and I have talked enough. I am done. Just checking on the letter. It looked a bit wonky, and so I will change that. And yeah, next to that, I am done. You will get a close-up and some final pictures. And thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day. And yeah, that's it. Talk to you soon, and bye.